This is the little birds on the snow of 2010. I've set it up so that I can feed them. Thought folks would like to see this. Got to think about your little birds. Got the feeder out. Let them all have something to eat. I had to go clean the snow off. It was about several inches deep. Back it up a little bit here. This doesn't really focus perfectly, but gives you some idea that these are the guys that come during the normal time. We've got all kinds of little guys coming in here. There goes one of the snow plows going by outside. Give you some kind of idea, see if this will focus out there. Woods over there. Go back to the birds. This is a nuthatch. My goldfinches. Haven't seen any of the purple finch. There's a blackcap chickadee. There's a cardinal. He comes to pick up what's leftovers from the droppings from the guys on top. He's kind of a spooky little fellow, though. There's Lady Cardinal coming up too. Mr. Cardinal. Lady Cardinal's on the other side. She'll come over here in a minute. There's one of my neighbors behind the cardinal. Okay, here comes Lady Cardinal. Oh, Mr. Cardinal driving away. Think about the birds, though, everybody. You know, put your feeders out. I know lots of people were in buying stuff. They bought out the sunflower chips that were in they were at Walmart. That's where I get mine from. It's the only place you can get the sunflower chips. Since I'm on the second floor here of the apartment, the chips tend to there's Lady Cardinal. She's going down now. There she is. Mr. Cardinal will chase her off again. He doesn't share real well. Doesn't mess with those guys though. They'll whack him back. Not sure what those black and white ones are. Haven't bothered to look them up. This shows you how well populated this thing stays. I actually had to go clean the there comes one of my neighbors out for a walk. Anyhow, this thing stays well populated. I had to clean the snow out of the holes. There was so much stuff. Anyway, just thought I'd let you know that the birds are all okay, and tell you that please go out and take care of your little birds if you can. There's Lady Cardinal. Pass up the tube here, and I'll put this out on YouTube for y'all to see. Snowstorm 2010. Yeah. February 6th. Herndon, Virginia. Keep your birds happy, keep them fed. Have a great day, everyone. Bye-bye. Stay Clarke.